Top 10 Auto Repair in Riverside. 1. Alltech Auto Repair, 576 reviews, Indiana Avenue Ste O and N. 2. Riverside Mobile Mechanic by Supercanics, 515 reviews, Valencia Hill Dr. 3. Burke's Automotive Repair, 4.9 152 reviews, Comer Avenue. 4. Affix Auto Riverside, 4.9 94 reviews, Auto Dr. 5. A Plus Auto Repair in Smog, 4.9 32 reviews, Alamo Street. 6. GT Imports Automotive Repair, 4.8 394 reviews, Whole Avenue Ste 100. 7. Discount Auto Center, 4.8 382 reviews, Van Buren Boulevard. 8. Sacto Auto, 4.8 150 reviews, Whole Avenue. 9. LPZ Auto Repair, 4.8 82 reviews, Main Street. 10. Protrans Automotive and Transmission Specialists, 4.7 491 reviews, Gato Court.